What's up, guys? The Fiery Flame here. Before you guys go to sleep, I want to show you guys how to talk with strangers online. So the website you're gonna want to go to is talkwithstranger.com. I'll leave the link down in the description below. And then what you're gonna want to do is type in a nickname. Any nickname will work. So you're gonna want to, so like I said, any nickname will work. So you're gonna want to type in the nickname you want. Then you're gonna want to go to Let's Talk. Then when you're connected to, and if your partner leaves, then you go to Global Chat, no login. Then you choose a nickname here, and here any nickname will work. So you type in the nickname you want here, and then you click on Let's Talk, and then you join the chat. And then in this chat you can type for as long as you want. So you type anything you want. And yeah, you can just type anything you want for as long as you want. Well, guys, I